Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a subdomain in Hostinger. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to Hostinger's website. Once there, log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly register to get started. After logging in, you'll land on your account dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your websites and hosting settings. From the dashboard, click on Websites. This section shows all the websites connected to your Hostinger account. Next, select Website List to view your sites in an organized format. Identify the website you want to add a subdomain to and click Dashboard for that site. This opens the control panel where you can manage performance, settings, and configurations. Now look for the Domains section in your dashboard and click on it. Within the Domains page, find Subdomains and open it. This is where you can create new subdomains to organize your site under separate addresses, improving navigation and visitor experience. Finally, enter the name of your new subdomain in the provided field. Double-check that it's correct, then click Create. Hostinger will process your request and your subdomain will be ready to use shortly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily set up a subdomain and enhance the structure of your website. Enjoy exploring the added functionality and improved organization on your site.